how to log in into Amazon Prime on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Amazon Prime on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser in your device. Once you have opened it up, navigate to search icon and in the search bar type in Amazon Prime. Once you're here, navigate to the first link on your interface, that is www.primevideo.com, and then click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in, as you can see, there is a sign in button. Click on it. Then you'll be taken into sign in page. Here you have to enter your email or phone number that is associated with your account. Once done, click on continue. And on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. Click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions and that's going to help you recover your password. Then you can log in with that password. So here, type in your correct password. And once done, click on sign in, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you'll be directly logged in into your Amazon Prime account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.